Simply, formerly JoyTunes, has become a popular tool for music learners, but before you pull the trigger and make the purchase, there are some important things you need to know. In this video, I'll give you the breakdown of the 7 things you need to consider before buying. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, and how it stacks up against the competition. Stay tuned till the end, because I'll also share how you can get the best offer for this app, and yes, you can try it completely free. First, Simply, formerly JoyTunes, is all about making music learning accessible and enjoyable. Whether you're a beginner or you have some experience with music, this app aims to streamline your learning process. It's got an impressive reputation, but is it the right fit for you? Let's dive in. Next thing to consider is the platform compatibility. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, offers a cross-platform experience, meaning you can use it on both iOS and Android. This is a big plus when you compare it to other music learning apps like Musician, which is more restrictive in terms of platforms. But keep in mind that the user experience on Android isn't always as smooth as on iOS, so make sure to check the app out on your device before committing. The third thing you need to know is the focus on learning with a real instrument. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, allows you to play along with the app using your own instrument, be it a piano, keyboard, or even a guitar, which gives you a more realistic learning experience compared to apps like Flowkey that focus primarily on piano. This feature is great for developing your ear and muscle memory, but it's worth noting that it may not be as polished as some of the other apps for piano-only learners. Next up, let's talk about the learning structure. One thing that sets Simply, formerly JoyTunes, apart is its approach to step-by-step lessons. The app provides a mix of free and premium lessons, but most of the comprehensive content requires a subscription. The paid version unlocks a wealth of lessons, exercises, and tracks to help you progress. That being said, the free version offers decent content, but the true value comes with the premium version, so consider what kind of commitment you're willing to make. The fifth thing to know is the app's unique feedback system. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, uses real-time feedback to track your performance and correct your mistakes, which can really speed up your learning. Unlike some competitors, like Piano Marvel, which focuses heavily on sheet music reading, Simply's interactive system is designed for those who want a more gamified approach to learning. Now, on to pricing. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, isn't the cheapest app out there, but its pricing is competitive when compared to other popular apps like Musician. It's subscription-based, which is standard in this category, but make sure to check out the first link below for the best deal and a free trial. The free trial gives you a good taste of what the app offers without fully committing, and it's definitely worth exploring before you make a final decision. And the final thing to know is Simply's community and customer support. When you're learning music, having access to a supportive community can make a big difference. Simply, formerly JoyTunes, has a solid user base, and there are active forums and support channels if you run into any issues. Plus, their customer service is responsive and helpful, which can't be said about all music learning apps out there. So, there you have it, the 7 things you need to know before buying Simply, formerly JoyTunes. If you're still on the fence, don't forget to check out the best offer and try the app for free through the link in the description. If you're serious about learning an instrument, Simply, formerly JoyTunes, is definitely worth considering, and you can get some exclusive benefits with that free trial. Click the link below to get started today.